to nation building. Let me turn to housing and settlement. Mr. Speaker, the cost of housing is a heavy burden to the majority of Kenyans and is the main factor driving the proliferation of slums in the country. The government's commitment is to turn the housing challenge into an economic opportunity to create quality jobs for our over 100,000 young people graduating from TVETs every year, directly in the construction sector and also indirectly through the production of building products. This will be achieved through, among others, facilitating the delivery of 250,000 houses per annum and enabling affordable housing mortgages. To ensure success of this initiative, I propose to the National Assembly to effect budget allocation of 35.2 billion for the housing program. This includes 7.3 billion under the Kenya Urban Program, KENAP, Kenya shillings 5.5 billion to Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company for enhancement of the company's capital, as well as for on-lending to primary mortgage lenders, Kenya shillings 3.2 billion for construction of affordable housing units, as well as Kenya shillings 3.3 billion for the construction of social housing units. Other key proposed allocations to the housing, urban development and public works sector includes shillings 5.5 billion for the Kenya Informal Settlement Improvement Project Phase 2, Kenya shillings 5.2 billion for the construction of markets, Kenya shillings 932 million to the maintenance of government pool houses, Kenya shillings 1.1 billion for the construction of housing units for the National Police and Kenya prisons, Kenya shillings 637 million for the Kenya municipal programs, and Kenya shillings 150 million for the construction of footbridges, and Kenya shillings 300 million for the development of appropriate building technology.